I'm also declaring my unalloyed solidarity with the governor and loyalty to the governor.
Don't go in, please. Don't go in. You're videoing what is happening. No, it's not fair. It's not fair. Tell them to video what is happening.
Hello, my beautiful people. Now, waiting the shell for my door. Waiting governor and deputy that they drag. Hey, they say never you bite hand that fed you, so that the store will not come back to you. Now, waiting they happen for my door state to hey, PDP don't cast a door state to hey, chai, cha cha, cha cha, cha 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 cha, PDP don't cast a door, tarara, hey, tararan, tararan, tararan. Thank God say human being no be God, tarara. My dear people, now wetin dey shele between deputy and governor? Wetin dey shele? Na wetin dey shele? Na Naija Daughter dey ask Edo governor and deputy. Wetin dey shele? My people, there is video I will love you guys to watch before we drop my 2 cents. Before you go drop your 2 cents, please let's respect our our opinion. Let's respect our comments. There is this particular video I would love us to watch, so that before we not say
You must go with me. You must go with me. Let's go inside here, please. Let's play this. Don't go in, please. Don't go in. You're videoing what is happening. No, it's not fair. It's not fair. Tell them to video what is happening. So just hold on. Let me get instruction. Just hold on. Let me get instruction. Do that. Record him as his name. No, your Excellency is not. Continue recording. Don't do that. Let's go. Let's go.
Retrospectively, what we are.
Let's go.
Where's the boss?
my people, if I see that particular part, I will put on this news now. Channel news now bring and come out. I use mistake because of phone full. You can't delete a lot of video. Mostly my vlog now they read it so far. Phone full. Then there is this particular part when deputy trying to go meet Governor Obaseki. Then Governor Obaseki security bodyguard stop him, turn him back. Governor Obaseki they look them. He not tell his security or his bodyguard, allow him to come. He's my deputy. Let him to come and chat with me, have a chat with me. Nothing like that. Then again, Edo celebrates the state anniversary, my people. As Edo celebrates the state anniversary, then this man now, he can't decide to still go as a deputy, as a representative of Edo. Behold, the governor bodyguard, they choose our deputy to enter. My people, because there is one time beside last week, I be this week too, when people they accuse Obaseki, that's our governor, they try to want do something when not good towards his deputy, just because his deputy go meet Oshomole. Oshomole na a deputy father. Deputy now Oshomole be the godfather to deputy. But I do know, power can use people. Don't let him every day. You dey chase weight. You are chasing, power. Always pray. Those powers should not use you. Because the moment you have larger money, then the money is not using you. You are in bondage. Let me tell you the truth. In fact, our biggest prayer is God give us long life. God give us good health. God don't let anything material, money to use me. God, make use of me. Don't let material things to make use of me. The reason why this deputy, this sheriff, so is Oshomole's son. Oshomole took in hand. At the end, he betrayed Oshomole. I don't know what really happened between them. But many of us look at it, oh, Oshomole don't want Obaseki to rule 4+4. Then many of us, we dey Obaseki's side. But now, their term, next year, they will do election for governor. Then this deputy now, maybe he's trying to reconcile his brother because they are the same place. Although we are big, but there is different. We are 18 local governments. Those two people, they come out from the same local government. They use him to betray Oshomole. Now they are using his old brother again. So, they are still using his old brother against him. The main purpose of me doing this video is like this. Our deputy and Edo governor, the citizen with the vex, with the Edo children. In fact, those noise you guys are making, in fact, they make us the vex more. Look at roads. You guys can't do road for ox. That day you stuck on the erosion. Now you are starting fighting your old deputy. Can't you know the power you have, the same power your deputy have? Why Nigeria? Why many of our politicians, the moment they are in that power, in that position, all their brain is how to oppress. If you can oppress your deputy, talk of normal people living around you, they will suffer. If you can use your deputy, you refuse him to enter to celebrate the state, not the state. Yes, the state. The state is not for one person. Edo is not for one city. Edo is the full 18 local government to celebrate. Just because you are governor, look at the way you mess your deputy. It paid me, my country, we don't have strong law. This kind of Obaseki, they're supposed to pull him out of that position. It's supposed to step. If this kind of thing happen, a country that function, in fact, Edo governor Obaseki, I'm sorry, they will pull you out. You don't have rights. If you have problem between your deputy, let it be out of work. Governor, you are working for us. You are serving us. You are not there to impress us. You are not there to oppress us. You are there to represent us. And you are there to serve us. If you can deal with your deputy, who am I? If I want to see my Mary now, my area Mary, I don't know whether council something, I will go straight. But our own council chairman, our own council chairman and councillor, you can't sit there. They are using the fact you've used your voter card to vote them there. They will use it against you. Edo governor, if you can do your deputy like this, I wonder the normal citizen who can't afford to eat. I wonder people around you. I wonder your security, what they are going through in your hand. I wonder workers. There is no camera around there. Look the way you make. I know people will say, it's not him now, it's him. His deputy was close by. That video, I believe if I see that video again, I will bring. If I don't see it, his deputy was like this. Then governor was like this. Then his security like this. He was looking at them. The security turned him back that he can't see who. The way Africa we take human being. That is why they are using it to oppress us. If you see whether he's a governor, he's a president, just see it is human being. God give the same breath. God give him. God give you. The only thing is maybe he's richer than you, or maybe if it is richer than you by physical, by material things, let your spiritual life, use your spiritual life richer than him. Go close to your God. Don't let anybody, no matter you are suffer, you have only this shirt, wash it and wear it. Respect yourself. so that people around will respect you. I don't know if you guys try to understand this part. You know, it's the way we see those our governor, like, oh, governor. You can't even know if my state even have governor. You will chat with your governor. You will chat with your governor. You will not even know it's your governor. Maybe later say it's your governor. You go, hey, yeah, this state governor, eh? Ah, my governor is not like this. So if you can deal with your deputy just because he chats with Oshomole, remember this the same Oshomole is the man who stand for you before. Remember, many of us, we forget where we start easily. We remember the present. You fly all the way from, America. That is what's still good for Oshomole too. The man Oshomole is supposed to put, that is pastor. He betrayed that one. They say after this Governor Obaseki, this life, don't think you are too sharp to betray somebody who is loyal to you or who took your hand. Those two things, don't temper with them. Those who is loyal to you, they are so loyal. Don't use your money to intimidate them. If you use your money to intimidate them, it will backfire you. Or those who took your hand to make you who you are, never you look down on them. I know some, they will help you finish and use it against you and let you know what do you do when somebody have not done before. Leave them with your God. Your creator will handle in fact, he will handle it. Look at all of them now, the way they are scattered, fighting themselves. Governor is showing deputy that I am the father. You are the son. Son cannot overshadow the father. Hey, power in this earth. Power. Thank God, man is not God. Thank God, it's not man that give us breath to breathe. Your own God deputy, just because he is. I see some people do like that. The moment they see you, you talk to. If my enemy, I don't even have enemy. Maybe somebody we are not in good. There may be some of my, there is friend. It doesn't mean we work the same place. We are best friend. No. It doesn't mean, we chat. You are my best friend. No. There will be a stage when some friend will get to. You don't even supposed to tell that friend, this is what you're supposed to do. That is friend. They know what they're supposed to do. They know what they're not supposed to do. For you to use your power to impress your deputy, to oppress your deputy, may God have mercy on you guys. Please, you guys should rule and leave that place. And remember, do what they vote you. Do what make you be there. Stop oppressing the citizen of Edo. Serve us as a governor, as a deputy. Those you guys know is crushing me for my ear. Well, this man, since he visits his godfather Oshomole, maybe he tried to reconcile. No matter how you try to reconcile Oshomole, my brother, where Oshomole put you for, just know that, okay? He tried to reconcile with Oshomole, then election is coming. Then they start to see him ask bad egg, smelly egg. Just be you. Be okay, be contented with what you are doing. Work your job. Be very careful. Know who you talk to. Any little penny, don't take it. I remember when you see shouts out about council, 18 local government, how much in a month. Those things, those, chairman, you dance into their territory. They are not happy with you. They combined, Nigeria, we don't like good things. It's the bad one. We are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. The good one, they will see it as a bad egg. I wish you guys settle, but you guys should try and serve us. Deliver what we vote you guys there for. You guys fight for this position, then you guys should deliver. Not fight. You guys should come from my area. I can't see you guys. So, my people, drop your opinion. What do you think about those whole issue? Governor Obaseki tried to, Governor Obaseki tried to oppress deputy, to let deputy know that he is the champion, he is the oga, he is the, on top, the everything untouchable. That is he is. then anything deputy want to do, he try to block it. But he forget the right he have as a governor, the same right deputy have. My people, please, you guys should like my video. Always like my video. If you just watch my video, you don't like it. Please.
To discuss, cause I take win by default. I won't doubt any doubt. I'm a me happy adult.